Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So if you're looking to open a Cash App account with your email address, you've come to the right video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to sign up for Cash App with just using your email address. Okay, so without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. Right, so the steps for signing up for Cash App is very easy. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, and first things first, you need to make sure that the Cash App is downloaded and installed on your phone. And even if you have the app, you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. So to do this, we're just going to head on to our Play Store. It doesn't matter which mobile device you're using. If you're using Android, you just go to your Google Play Store, and if you're on iOS, just go to the Apple App Store. And then once in the App Store, just search for Cash App just like so, and then you click on it. You make sure that you've updated the app to its latest version. Okay, so once you've downloaded and installed Cash App, and once you've made sure that you are actually running the latest version of the app, you just want to click on this open button right here. Okay, so it's going to take you to the app, and this is the typical screen that you see upon your first launch of the app. Okay, so Cash App, unlike competitors like Venmo, lets you sign up with either your phone number or your email. Okay, so if you want to use your phone number, you can use your mobile number and just sign up for Cash App. If you want to sign up for Cash App your email, just need to enter the email in the field right there. Okay, so right now you can just switch to email. As you see this button here, just click on use email if you want to use your email address to sign up for Cash App. So just click on that use email, and then you enter the email address that you want to sign up for Cash App. Okay, just like so. After you enter that, you just want to click on the next button and follow the prompts to continue signing up for Cash App. Okay, so it is as easy as that. Remember, you can use your phone number or your email address to sign up for Cash App. Just download the app from the Google Play Store, open it, and then you click on the use email button to start using your email address, and then you just follow the prompts and the steps to sign up for Cash App. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found it actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming updates. Alright, so I catch you on the next one.